All right, up here we got the video on the John Deere 770 tractor. It's got the PTO 3-point on the back. We'll get to that here in a minute. She runs good. It's definitely been used, as you can see. Tires are in pretty good shape. Probably, I don't know. They got some life left. Front ones are a little better than the back. All that right there. Making my way around. All right, let's fire this baby up. The hours on it are gonna be 42:57. Let's fire it up. That's gonna conclude the video on the John Deere. Thanks for watching.